Hello friends, welcome to my channel sharing knowledge of agriculture. Friends, in previous video we have discussed about farmyard manure and compost. So in this video we are going to learn about vermicompost, what are the different types of earthworms and method of vermicomposting. So let's start our today's topic. Vermicompost. It is the compost which is produced by earthworms having the highest grade and containing greater amount of available or stable nutrients and high percent of casting. Earthworm casting contains humus, microorganisms, hormones, enzymes, auxins and other some biomolecules. Here are some types of earthworms are given. There are basically three types of earthworms: redworms, branding worms and fieldworms. Redworms having species Lumbricus rubellus, branding worms having species Eisenia foetida, and fieldworms having species Ololobophora caliginosa. So friends, you can see all these three types of earthworms in these given images, that are redworms, then branding worms and fieldworms. Let's see the process of vermicomposting step by step. So first step is collection of earthworms by observing earthworms casting. Then construction of vermi bed and compost pit is done as shown in these two images. Then separation of earthworms and solid waste is done by meshing process. Then whatever vermicompost we get throughout the process, then packaging of that vermicompost and labeling is done. Then under transportation and marketing, whatever vermicompost we get, that is transferred to the different greenhouse plant or the different plant nurseries and gardeners as per their requirement. Now, method of vermicomposting. So, what is the procedure to prepare the vermicompost? So, here, first of all, selection of earthworms. So, while selecting the earthworms, use exotic detrivorous or apigenous species, for example, Eudrilus eisenia or Eisenia foetida specifically. Next is size of pit. So while preparing the pit for preparation of vermicompost, so that pit should be under shade. Then any convenient dimensions such as 2 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter may be prepared, and which can hold about 10 to 40,000 worms at a time. Next is preparation of vermi bed. So while preparing the vermi bed, a thin layer of about 5 centimeter is covered with broken bricks, and sand should be made at the bottom of the pit. On this layer, about 15 to 20 centimeter thick layer of good loamy soil is applied. Then inoculum of earthworms, so about 2000 earthworms are introduced as an optimum density into a compost pit of 2 by 1 by 1 meter size. Next is organic layering. Under organic layering, it is done on the vermi bed with fresh cattle dung. Then compost pit is then layered about 5 centimeter with shredded organic litter of dry leaves, and moisture level must be maintained while all this process. Next step is wet organic layering. It is done after 4 weeks with moisture or green organic waste, and it can be sprayed over it. Then repeat this process after every 3 to 4 days. And last step under method of vermicomposting is harvesting. At maturation, moisture content is brought down, and then this ensures drying and migration of worms into vermi bed. So manure compost is removed, then it is sieved and dried and finally packed into bags. So in this way, we get the ideal quality of vermicompost by following this process. Now, here we can see the nutrient status of vermicompost, which is having pH about 7.4, then electrical conductivity is about 0.90 decisimon per meter. Organic carbon content is about 24.43%, nitrogen content is about 1 to 1.5%, P2O5 is about 0.6 to 0.8%, K2O is about 1 to 1.5%, iron content is about 17.8 ppm, zinc is about 19.2 ppm, manganese 24.6 ppm, copper 7.6 ppm, and CN ratio of this vermicompost is approximately 20. In this image, you can see the different type of vermicompost pits which are prepared to get an ideal quality of vermicompost in different areas. So friends, here we learn about vermicompost, types of earthworms, and method of vermicomposting. I hope you all like this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.